Just want to give you an up close look at that spice rub I put together on there. You can see that pepper popping. I actually did add some Italian seasoning to the rub as well. I just didn't show it on camera, but if you look at it, you can see that thing is popping. All right, guys, sorry for the camera angles. We had some camera issues, we had some sound issues, but I just wanted to show y'all how I got to the seasoned pork butt. These are the seasonings that I use to make the dry rub, and we're gonna have a few frames like this, and then we'll go back to the regular beautiful frames to show y'all how we cook this pork butt. Anyway, stay tuned. Yeah, boy. All right, just a heads up, this is a half a cup that I'm using. I'm not using this whole dry rub for just this one pork butt. This is just a mixture that I'll be using throughout the summer. So just so y'all know, it is a half a cup. And some of these seasonings, I'm not even using a full half a cup. So just, you know, it's about taste and go. You taste it as you go. If you got enough salt in there, rock on. Yeah, boy. All right, our pork butt is seasoned. Now what we're gonna do is allow everything to tack up on it, and the sugars and the salt are gonna go in and start to make the meat sweat. And it's gonna look tacky, like a little glaze on it. And that's when, at that point, that's when it's ready to go to the smoker. Stay tuned. All right, good people, welcome back. We got the sound fixed, everything is good to go. This is probably like a day later from the last time y'all saw the video. I was actually prepping this at night. Now it's the morning time, I'm getting ready to cook it. So, as you can see, this is my pork butt right here. It's looking good, it's tacked up real good. I mean, it's good and tacky. Got a little moisture in there, but not a lot. I didn't lose a lot of moisture. Now, this is what I'm gonna cook with. I just wanna show y'all this inside right now. I got 2 chunks of post oak, and I'm going to be using this old bag of Western lump charcoal. Really good stuff. Old, just the old bag now. The newer bag is totally different. But anyway, this is what I'm gonna be using. And 10 minutes later, that's what we're looking at, folks. Yes, sir. All right, so now I got the water pan in there. I got a rack I'm gonna be putting meat on. We are ready to cook, good people. Got my little spiked coffee this morning. Just want to catch y'all up on what we got going on. So it's about an 8 to 10 pound pork butt. We made our little dry rub. We seasoned it. We left it in the refrigerator overnight. This is the second day. We've got lump charcoal and 2 chunks of post oak in the barrel, in the barrel cooker. We're gonna let it go for 6 hours. We try to 5 to 6 hours in smoke. And once we do that, we're gonna make a decision on whether or not we want to continue to play with this barrel cooker. And so we'll wrap it up, maybe stick it back in the barrel cooker, or we may wrap it up in butcher paper and stick it in the oven and finish it off. So it's a game time decision.
We'll see what we want to do then, depending on how hot it is out here. So, thank y'all for joining me at the Rolling Grill. Y'all stay tuned. Hydrate mode. Yeah, bye. So I just want to catch y'all up real quick. In addition to that post stove, I came out here and put 2 sticks of that peach wood in here as well, man. So you see we rocking and rolling, baby. So we about 2 hours in right now, y'all. Yes, sir. Y'all, now to go along with them pork butts in the meantime, I think I'm gonna throw these on there too, man. These are some DJ's jalapeno boudin. Picked these up at HEB when I was in Texas. I think I'm gonna throw these on there as well, man, because ain't nothing like some good smoked boudin. So I don't know, I'm gonna let them thaw out for a minute and I'll make a decision. But yeah, tell me if you've tried these in the comments, because I've never tried them. This will be my first time. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, we about 3 hours in now. Coca-Cola got some good sugar in it. It's gonna help us get our color. And as you can see, it's all falling in that water pan below. So it's not like it's knocking out the flame. So we're gonna let this keep on rocking and rolling. We got about 4 more hours to go, maybe 3. All right, y'all, we going on. I don't know where I'm gonna put them at. I think I'm gonna put them right over here. We got 2 of them boudin links, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, came out here to check the pork butt. We are probably about 5 hours in, 4 hours in. But I also came out here to check these boudin links. Look at the things, man. And they hot too. Look at that. You can see the pepper. Oh my gosh. These are ready to come off. I'm about to take these off. And while I'm sitting here, let me baste this meat. I'll baste this meat for the last time. A little bit of Coca-Cola. How much the end you can. And we're gonna let this go for the last 2 hours. And I'll catch y'all up and add a little more wood too. Stay tuned. It's that boudin link, y'all. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, hell yeah. Oh my God. The truth, y'all. Oh my God. Smoked boudin is where it's at. All right, guys, this is it. I brought it in the house. I'm getting ready to wrap it up in butcher paper and put it right back on the pit. All right, back on the pit. See you in another 2 hours. I got the heat rocking at about 275. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here we go, man. Finally done. Total cook time was about 9 hours on this pork butt. And it's mainly because I wrapped it in butcher paper. Had I wrapped it in foil, I probably would have been done 2 hours ago. But we are finally done. I allowed it to rest. You can see I got a few drippings in the pan. Most of this is probably fat. I haven't even drained it or anything. This will be the first time I unwrap it. And more than likely what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, let me open it all the way up. I'm going to break it down tomorrow. I'm not even gonna break it down tonight because I'm tired now. It wasn't for today anyway. It was actually for tomorrow anyway. Before I go, look at that money muscle up in there. Beautiful, man. Boy, I'm telling y'all, when I break this thing down tomorrow, you're gonna really be able to see just how, look at that smoke ring. You just pull it back. You're gonna really be able to see how beautiful. Black on the outside, beautiful and pink in the inside. Yes, sir. Catch y'all tomorrow. Stay tuned. All right, good people, welcome back. We're gonna make some coleslaw now to go along with that pulled pork. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this on up, but y'all keep track of what's going on. I will tell you this, we are gonna use some pineapple. We're gonna break these pineapples down in here, get the juice. Douce mayonnaise, of course, a staple when it comes to coleslaw. A little coleslaw right here. And we will be using some of this jalapeno lime onion crunch to go along with it. So, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, bye. All right, so we got our sauce together. Again, this right here takes it over the top, man. A little jalapeno, cilantro, onion crunch. Incredible, but you gotta add Duke's mayonnaise, man. Ain't no substitute. And pineapple juice for your sweetness. If you wanna add a little sugar to the pineapple juice to sweeten it up a little more, that's totally okay, but we're going more for a savory coleslaw and not so much of sweet. Pour your little sauce in there. Take some good tones, mix it up for about a few minutes. Let it sit. The longer you sit, the better it gets. Y'all stay tuned. Let's go get this pork butt out the oven. All right, y'all. This is our pork butt out of the oven. We reheated it. Just to let y'all know, whenever you want to cook some pork butts, you got a big party coming up or whatever, smoke them like a day ahead of time, cool them down, put them in a nice cold spot in the fridge. Don't break them down yet. And then when the day that you're ready to serve, stick them in the oven 260 for about an hour, bring them back up to temp, and you're ready to go, man. So, here we are. There, I want y'all to see the back side of it too. All right, let's get into it. And here is all of the juju that was drained off of that meat. I'm gonna put a spoon in that because we're gonna use that. So, I'm just gonna pull some pieces apart, let y'all see what we're working with. And you know, with a pork butt, you gotta clean it up. I just want y'all to see it. Look at that. Good smoke ring. Beautiful smoke ring on that meat. Come over here towards the money muscle. You got beautiful strands of pork. You got some good bark. So let me speed this up. I'm gonna go ahead and pull some of this apart, chop it up, and make a sandwich, and we'll get y'all up out of here. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're finished chopping the meat. As you saw, I added some more of my dry rub into the meat. I actually added the drippings that came off the meat after I took the grease off. I added that back to the meat as well. Just another level of flavor, a nice way to take what came from the pork and put it right back in there, man. So let's get those out the way. I'm going to be using a brioche bun. Got my coleslaw and my absolute favorite barbecue sauce. I used to use it on competition trail when it comes to pulled pork. Blues Hog Tennessee Red. My boy, if you've never tried this, oh my God. On pulled pork, it's fantastic. So let's go ahead and plate up one sandwich because I know y'all tired of being here and I'm ready to eat. So, we're gonna take some of this chopped pork. I'll put it right here. And y'all excuse my hands, man. This is my sandwich, so no, I don't have any gloves. I'm eating this. All right, we put our pork right there, and if a little bit falls over, that's fine. Now, I'm gonna go with the sauce first. Some people like to do the coleslaw first. I'm just gonna do a few drizzles of that sauce. I hope y'all can see this, man. Can y'all see this? I hope y'all, you know what? Let me tilt the camera down. All right, y'all, that's the sandwich right there. I hope y'all can see that better. I'm gonna turn it that way. So what I did is I put a few drizzles of that Tennessee Red barbecue sauce on there. And now we're gonna go on top with some of our citrus-based coleslaw. All right. Nice and pretty. And you can go on as much coleslaw as you want. I like a lot of coleslaw on my sandwiches, man. And like I say, this is a spoon and fork party down there. You need to pick it off the side of the plate. And then a few drops of that barbecue sauce on there as well.
Close it off with that bun. And yes, sir, there you have beautiful pulled pork sandwich with a nice little citrus-based coleslaw right here on the rolling grill, baby. And like I say, this barbecue sauce right here, absolutely fantastic. And it's a vinegar-based sauce, absolutely fantastic on this pulled pork sandwich. So there y'all go, man. Yes, sir. All right, guys, just want to give y'all a close-up. That thing is beautiful, man. So again, thank y'all for joining me at the Rolling Grill, man. We're gonna get back on that grill and do a lot more videos. I think I got a baby back rib video coming up next for y'all, man. So as always, man, good food, good vibes. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Yeah, boy.